Welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming.
Very much.
A few moments later.
Oh no!
Of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seat belt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seat belt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air. And push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself. We are about to take off. Fasten seatbelts securely. Keep window shades open and tray tables stowed. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while cabin doors are closed. This is a non-smoking flight. Use of vape, e-cigarette, and all smoking or vapor inhaling and emitting devices is prohibited.
See you,
by
Philippines.
Aviation regulations. Please stop using your gadget if the battery becomes excessively warm. This refers to all gadgets powered by lithium battery or charger.
Sana ako ayaw niya man.
Anong bibili mo? Ha? Ha? Donation?
Ayaw niya.
Maraming salamat sa pakikisa sa Solidarity Unison. Thank you so much for Unison Change for the donation. And to find out more about what your donations just supported, please visit www.unicef.ph.
Pag talikod na ngayon.
A few minutes from now, we shall be landing at our destination. For all unclaimed meals or change, please call the attention of any of your cabin crew. And to prevent dengue fever, all the vector-borne diseases,
A few moments later.
effective mosquito prevention.
Ayan guys, kakain na po kami, nagutom na. First kain in Philippines ba? Ako? Yes. Bangus with egg.
Especially hard objects such as flasks, chocolates, and electronic devices inside your baggage before stowing it in the overhead bin. In line with it, please take caution in securing your carry-on luggage and when opening the bin to prevent
It's
items
raining
from
in
sticking.
Manila. Ayan guys, dito sa part na to, medyo emotional ako kasi darating na ako, andito na ako sa Lawag City at syempre na-miss ko yung family ko at ini-imagine ko yung mama ko na andyan din siya na sasalubong sa akin kasi kung ako ay umuwi, andyan lang siya. Ayan, so dito sa part na to, medyo emotional na ako guys. So yung feeling na hindi mo ma-explain, masaya na malungkot kasi syempre uuwi ako dahil 1 year anniversary yung mama ko. So na-imagine ko na andyan siya na sumalubong sa akin pero wala na pala siya. So nung nakita ko na yung anak ko, yung ate ko, talagang hindi ko napipigil habang papalabas ako sa airport. Ayan, naluluha ako kasi ina-expect ko na andyan yung mama ko. Pero feel ko andyan pa rin siya that time.
A few moments later.
Ayan, finally, andito na kami sa family house namin at nandito kami lahat ng aking mga kapatid. at may konti kaming salo-salo. Ayan, nagkate sila ng kambing. Ang aking bayaw ay nagpakati ng kambing, at yan ang talagang lagi nilang ginagawa pag ganyan na may mga okasyon. Ayan, meron diyan pakbit, ayan, may puklo, may pakbit na saluyot, ayan, may pakbit, at may suman. Ayan, ang daming pagkain, guys. At may puto, may pudding, ayan, ano pa mga nandiyan, ayan, may kambing. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang shot-shot yan. Andyan yung ate kong panganay, ang mga apo namin. At ayan, nandyan yung aming mga pinsan. Andyan kaming lahat. Ay, yung ate ko pala wala pa dyan kasi may meeting sila. So, ayan, mag-umpisa na ng aming kainan. Nag-lead na ng prayer ng aming manugang. Ayan na si John Paul. Siya na po ang nag-lead ng prayer. So, kakain na kami dyan. So, ayan, guys, kunting salo-salo kami. At masaya kaming pamilya dahil andyan nagtitipon-tipon, nagsasama-sama na naman kami, guys, dahil ako lang naman po ang wala sa pamilya, ako lang po ang malayo sa kanila. So yan, nag-lead ang prayer ng aming manugang, asawa ng aking pamangkin. Ayan, so lafang-lafang na dyan, guys.
A few moments later.
So, dito naman is ang aming wedding anniversary ng aking Diyosawa. Ayan, so ito, meron naman kaming ulit kunting salo-salo. At ayan, ang aking tsunakis ni si Mary Joy. At syempre, nagtitipon-tipon na naman kami dito, guys. So, may ito naman ang aming banding ng aking mga batchmate, 84-85. At syempre, nakita-kita rin kami at may kunting kaganapan na sayawan dito. Ayan, sayawan. Ang saya, guys. So, eto, nag-e-enjoy kami at may sumasayaw dyan. So, guys, eto ang aming kaganapan. Ako ay nasa bakasyon. Diba? Ang saya. O, diba? Once in a year na nangyayari po ito sa aking buhay. So, guys, napakasarap magbakasyon. Syempre, makikita, makakasama ang mga mahal sa buhay, pamilya, kaibigan, mga batchmate, yan. Andyan lahat ang mga masasayang kaganapan. Diba?